Hello, welcome to another section in further mathematics. In this section, we'll be looking at the topic, the angle of slope. Angle of slope. But before we proceed, I'd like us to do a quick review on our previous lesson. Okay, welcome back. When you talk about the angle of slope, it's equals to just tan theta of its gradient, or you call it tan theta of the grade of the slope, because the slope is equivalent. You can put it angle of slope or angle of gradient. It's just the tan of the gradient or the slope. For example, if we are being given, let's continue from where we stop. Let's say this example says, we say find the gradient. So find the gradient of the line joining 3, 2 and 7, 10 and the angle of slope. Now we've been using something like that. I say when you have 2 points, the first thing you have to do is to get the slope. And remember, the slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That's the slope. This was the first thing we did, like when you have your graph. So our slope will now be equals, remember this time we're not looking for equation, we're just looking for slope. So our y2 now is 10 minus y1 2 over x2 7 minus x1 3. So this is 8 over 4, which is equal to 2. So we are done with the first part. I say find the gradient, as straight as that. Now the angle of gradient is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 2. So theta becomes equal to tan inverse of 2, which is equal to 63.43. So the angle of the gradient becomes 53. Is an angle, so it's degree. 63.43 degrees. What if you want to look for the angles between two lines? If the two lines are parallel, remember the angle is 0 because there's no angle between them. But let's say determine if AB is parallel to PQ. Now what is our AB? Let's take our AB to be, our A is 3, 1 and our B is what? 4, 3. This is I and I. P we have 4, 6 and Q we have 5, 8. We want to check if AB, that is these two, if they are parallel to this. You know how to check being parallel? It's just if they have equal slope. Equality in slope is what you're checking, if their slope is the same. Now let's check the slope of AB. M being equals, so our M is now equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is equal to our y2 here is 3 that we are looking for, that of AB. 3 minus 1 over 4 minus 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 minus 3, which is equal to 2. Now for PQ, we now have m, which is the slope, remember we stated here that it's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and the value of our y2 in this other part is 8 minus 6 over 5 minus 4, which is equal to 2 over 1, which is 2. So since AB and PQ have the same slope, therefore AB is parallel to PQ. Since they both have equal slope, then AB is parallel to PQ. Now, but if their slope, if the value of slope is m1 is equal to minus 1 over m2, then they are perpendicular. At this point, they are not parallel if their slope is not the same. But if m1 is equal to m2, then they are both parallel. They are both parallel, just like what we just confirmed now. Like, let's try this. Okay, find the equation of a straight line. Say find the equation of a straight line of slope 2 if it passes through the point (3 and minus 2). So it's we are used to solving this, just y minus y1 equal to m bracket x minus x1. So our y minus our y1 is 2, so which is now plus 2 equal to 2 as our slope in bracket x minus our x1 is 3. So y plus 2 is equal to 2x minus 6. 2 times this is 2x, then minus 6. So our y is equal to 2x minus 6 minus 2, which is equal to 2x minus 8. So our y is equal to 2x minus 8. Find the equation of a straight line. So this happens to be the equation of such straight line. So I would like to say a very big thank you for being part of today's lesson. To refresh your memory on what we've just discussed, please take the test that will appear on your screen shortly. Do well to use the lesson notes on the platform for better information on the topic we've discussed. Feel free to drop your questions on the comment section. Thank you and see you in our next class.